Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use two Cash App accounts on one phone in 2026. So this particular thing is absolutely possible here in Cash App. So first of all, you just have to open your Cash App application on your phone. When you are here on this page, simply click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, when you are here on this particular page, you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find this sign out option here in the bottom. Now, when you click on the option of sign out, you will be asked for the confirmation. So you just have to click on the option of sign out in order to basically sign out into your account. So when you do so, you will be shown this particular page where you are going to see your first profile over here. Afterwards, we have the option of add an account to this particular device, and this is exactly what we want. So you need to simply select this option, then provide the email address or the phone number of your second account which you want to basically manage inside your application. So after providing the email address, you just have to simply confirm it by the confirmation code. Then simply just you will be shown this type of hello button and you will be able to easily log in into your account. So switching is also very easy. You just have to go to your profile icon and then you can switch between these two accounts by signing out from the one account and then log in into another. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.